Shell from Designs by Shell here. Thanks for joining me today. Welcome to all my regular followers, and if you're new, I hope you enjoy my channel and subscribe. I share all kinds of paper scrapbooking crafts as well as some home decor ideas, and I love to share Christmas ideas as well. So today we're doing a little Christmas project, and this one is it's a Ritter Sport Chocolate pack, and it involves some wrapping up of the treats, some stamping, and some embellishing. And they're great for gift giving, or maybe some stocking stuffers, or maybe even table favors. So I'm going to show you the ones I've done here. So they use these little mini Ritter Sport chocolates, and these come in variety packs as well, but I wasn't able to find any of the ones that had a bunch of different types in them. But this one is a dark chocolate with marzipan, and I did try one and they are very good. So these are the ones I've used, and they're kind of nice anyways because they've got the red on it, which is kind of Christmassy and festive. So we'll be using those when we create one here, but I'll show you the packages that I've done up here. So I've wrapped up two of the Ritter Sport chocolates, and just in some fancy scrapbooking paper, and some's a little bit with the foil paper there. And then I made a topper, and I used some sparkly kind of silver paper for that, and I used a stamp that says Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And then I just punched a hole and added a little ribbon at the top here. This one's just some red twine. Another one I've added some gold ribbon, and just added a little sticker on there, and some of the chocolates I've added little stickers on there as well. So nothing too complicated, but just looks pretty festive and a nice little gift to give someone. So that's what they look like. So I've done several of these. There's one. There's another one here. One more. And then I did a couple in the with a gold stamp and gold ribbon at the top. So you can let me know which one you like better. I don't know, they're both nice. So we're gonna go ahead and make one of these together. Okay, so I've got the little chocolates here, and you need scrapbooking paper that's cut to 1 3/4 by 4 1/2. And that will be your little piece to go around the chocolate. So we're gonna start with that here. And just kind of eyeball it so you get it in the right place there, and then just bring it around. And then what I do is put a piece of the tearing tape across the end here, like so, and line that up as best I can. It's just super simple like that. Same with this one here. Wrap it around. Oops. And we'll add some tearing tape to the end of that one. Just carefully line it up. I found with the foil ones, they're a little bit harder to stick down, so you need to add a little bit of extra tape on there, or adhesive, whatever you're using for yours. And then once you have them like that, you want to decide if you want to add some little stickers or what you want to add. I had a couple of different options. I think I'll continue to use these ones since I've used those in the packages here. So maybe we'll add this little present on this one, and maybe just a little star on this one here. So that's going to look like that. So that part's done. And I have these, I guess they're called pretzel bags, the long cellophane bags, and that's what we're going to put those in. So slide them down like that. I ordered these off of Amazon, and got a nice bunch of them, so they're great for different kinds of treats and things like this. So we'll leave that for a moment, and then we'll work on the topper. So for that, for the topper, I have this paper here, and I've already got it cut at, let's see, it's my measurements written down here, 2 3/4 by 4 1/4. So that's already cut here, and then I'm going to score it at 2 1/8. So I can do that here. Move some stuff out of the way. Got the scoreboard. And so 2 1/8 is where we want to score it. So that's just the first little mark past the 2 there. And we'll get that out of the way. And fold that, and then take my envelope punch board and I round the corners on that, and I've already done that here. So here's the one. So now we want to do the stamping on there, and here's my stamp. It's Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and that is from this little stamp set here that I have, and it's got lots of different festive things on there, so that's where that came from. And I think for showing, I'll do the red ink because it probably shows up better on the camera. So let's get that ready here. Make sure you get enough ink on here. Nothing worse than trying to stamp and then it doesn't work out. So I'll do this. There we go. That looks good. So then I'm just going to fold that like so. And then I put my cellophane bag inside and line it right up to the top of the tag, of the topper, I should say. And I grab my crocodile here, the hole punch, and we'll just put a little hole in the center there, just sort of eyeballing it. There we go. And let's see. Oh, actually, you know what? I did that wrong. I was supposed to trim my bag here, so I will do that now. Totally forgot about that. So you can sort of take a guess of where you want it to be. I usually take a couple inches off. So I'll have to do that step again. Oh well. That's how it goes sometimes. So there. Now I'll punch through the cellophane again here. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to put some tear and tape in there to just kind of hold this down. Let's do like so. And I can line up my cellophane bag with the hole again, like that, and then I'll put another piece of the tear and tape on the top side so that when I close it, it will stay down as well. Just like that. And then we just need to add our twine. So I've got this red jute twine here. And put a piece of that off. And let's see, I just better cover up my ink there. Okay, so I just stick this in the back here. I can get both ends through, that would be good. And then just pull it like that, and then I tied another little knot there, and then tied a little bow. If you didn't want to tie a bow, you could just do the ends like I did on the gold one, so I'll show you again in a minute. There's many different ways to do it, but so once you get your bow to the size you like it, you can just trim the tails off. like so. So it's like that. And then if you want to add another little sticker on the front, or you could do a little stamp on there. On the gold ones I did, I had a little heart stamp and I stamped that on there. And this is how I did the top of the ribbons on the gold ones. So just really simple. So maybe I'll just add another little sticker on here to finish it off. And there you have it. So those are fun little treats to make. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave a comment. And we'll see you next time. Bye for now.